Okay, my finger. What, buddy?
Still hurts.
Still hurts. Ow. Today's December 3rd. No. Today's
12.
12th. Oh, I'm sorry, my brain hurts. So yeah. Well, we're gonna try now and later. Yeah, let's do it. There's the now and later. Let's zoom up on it. It won't let me zoom. Ah! Bad finger. Okay. Let's do this. No. Okay, here we go. You hold this. I'm tired of holding it. Wait. We can always do one when I hold it. Okay. Not that I feel short or anything, but I just can't comfortable. Now I always get ice on my finger. Feel how hot it is.
What's it feeling? Anything?
Not really. Hopefully we get something out of this. Oh yeah, now it's bubbling. Oh my lord, that is thick.
Oh, wow.
It's just like the last chappy.
Like one side of it only at once now.
I don't know if you can see that, but dang, that is
Oh, look, big bubbles.
big bubbles.
I think it's starting to smoke a little bit.
Okay, let's take it off of this. That's what happens once you... Holy, that's hot.
Stinky. Ah, it is hot.
It's hot. That's what you get when you microwave an hour later.
There you have it.
Amazing. Mama got me ice cream. Finger. And that's about it. Oh, yeah. Well, now I want to show my cool hat. Sorry, I'm in my bathroom now. Yeah, I got a cool hat the other day. And these styling sunglasses. Dig it, dog. Can you dig that, yo? Can you dig that? Yeah. Okay, well, see you next time on Adventures with Food Microwave.